Hello everyone. So today we will see some tricks regarding how to calculate the number of figures. In almost maximum exam you are getting this kind of question. So today we will discuss some tricks along with some concepts. For example, in this figure, here suppose they will ask you how many triangles are there. Very simple. You can say only one triangle. Suppose in this figure, how many triangles are there? This is one, this is one, this one is two, and the bigger triangle is three. So you can tell three triangles are there. So, but how to, without calculating this triangle, how quickly you will be able to reply to these questions? That trick I am going to tell you now. So here you first identify the base. Suppose this is the base. And in this base, you see how many triangles are there. So you can see this is the base here. This is one triangle. So I have make it one. This is one more triangle. So I have numbered it two. So what is 1 plus 2? That is equal to 3. So I can say that in this figure, total 3 triangles are there. Similarly here, this is the base. In this base, how many triangles are there? Only one. Okay. Now coming to this point here. Here, which one is the base? This is the base. Here, how many triangles are there? This is one triangle, one. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. Okay. And now just simply add it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And you will get the answer will be 10. Suppose you are finding difficulty in adding those things also. Then for that also, you will be having one more formula. That is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. What is this n? N means the last term. Suppose here the last term is 4. So 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So if you solve this thing, same 10 you will get. Okay. Suppose this figure. How many, which one is base? This one is the base. So how many triangles are there above this base? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of triangle becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. And if you cannot add all these things, the last number is 6 into 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. This formula I am applying. Okay. So if you solve it, the answer you will get 21. So the total number of triangles will be 21. Now let's complicate the figure. Suppose this kind of figure is given and they will ask you to calculate number of triangles. By using the same trick, you can be able to do it. What you have to do, just you have to identify the base. Once you can identify the base, then you can calculate the number of triangles. So here, which one is base? This is one base. Okay. So here, how many on this base? How many triangles are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'll write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. And if you will add all these things, you will get 21. After this one, we have completed with this base. Now you can see here we will be having one more base. Okay. So again in this base, how many triangles are there? This is 1, this is 2. So I will write 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Again, we have completed this one and we have completed this base also. Now come to this one. In this base, how many triangles are there? This is 1, this is 2. So again, we will do it 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Now, if we will add all these things, we will get 27. So in this triangle, total 27. In this figure, total 27 triangles are there. Okay. Now, same thing we will implement over here. So first, we will take this base. In this base, how many triangles are there? This is 1, this is 2. So what is 1 plus 2? That is equal to 3. Again, in this base, in second base, this is 1, this is 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Again, in this base, 1, 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Again over here, 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Now if you will add all these things, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If you will add all these things, you will get the answer will be 12. Clear? Now in place of vertical line, if this only horizontal lines are there, okay, it is also very simple. This is one base. In this base, we have one triangle. In this base, we have one triangle. Here, if you will take this base, we will be having one triangle. And if you will take this base, you will be having one triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus total 4 triangles will be there. Let's go to the next type of problem. So here in this figure, they will ask you to calculate number of figures. So if the figure is simple like this, you can calculate. There is one big triangle, okay, one big triangle plus how many small triangles are there? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Okay, so this one is the big triangle, one big triangle, and how many small triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small triangles. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So the trick is this one will be for big triangle and this 4 will be for number of small triangle. Okay, so for big triangle, here only one big triangle is there, so we are taking 1. And for how many small triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 small triangles we are taking. So in that case, how to identify this is, for big triangle you assign one value. Inside this big triangle, how many triangles are there? If you can see the triangle which will connect all the middle part of the big triangle, you can see inside the bigger triangle you will be having one small triangle is there. So for small triangle you add the value 4. Okay, here we will be having this small triangle which will connect all the sides of the bigger triangle. Okay, so for the small triangle you make it 4 and for big triangle you make it 1. Okay, it will be clear when we will do this question. So same concept will apply over here. How many big triangles are there? Only one big triangle. So I'll write 1 plus. Inside this big triangle, how many small triangles are there? You can see this is one small triangle. Okay, and this is one more small triangle. Okay, so this is one small triangle and this is one more small triangle. So 2 small triangles are there. And for small triangle, we'll add 4. So since 2 small triangles are there, so 2 times we will add 4. So total number of triangles in this figure will be 9. Now come to this one. Here, how many big triangles are there? This is one big triangle. So we'll write it as 1 plus. Inside the big triangle, how many small triangles are there? You can see this is one triangle. Okay, so we'll add 4 because for small triangle we are adding 4. And inside this triangle, here you can see this is one more triangle. So we are adding one more 4 plus inside this triangle you can see one more small triangle is there. So that's why again once more we are adding 4. Okay, so for the big triangle we have 1. And how many small triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have added 4. So total answer will be 13. Okay. Now next we will consider a square. Suppose this square is there and they will ask you to calculate number of triangles. So here the trick is you make it count. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Okay. So just the trick is 4 into just you double it. 4 into 2 are 8. So here total 8 triangles will be there. Okay. Simply over here, how many triangles? Just name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So just make it double. So 8 into 2, which is equal to 16. Okay. Again, if the figure is a little bit complicated like this, okay, you just name it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the outside triangle. and inside also you have one more triangle. Okay, so again once you rename it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, outside 8 and inside also 8. So for outside triangle, it will rectangle, it will be 8 plus 2, 8 into 2, that is 16. And for the inside rectangle, it is again 8 into 2, which is equal to 16. If you will add all these two things, you will get, there will be 32 number of triangles. One more figure, if they will give like this, suppose this figure they have given and they will ask you to calculate the number of triangles. So here what we do, first you just see whether there are even number of triangles in all directions or not. What do you mean by even number? If I will name it, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So in horizontal direction, in this, if you take this base, the total 3 triangles are there. Now if you will take this base, how many triangles are there? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now if I will take this base, here also how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if even number of triangles are there, irrespective of the base, okay, then what to do? So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in all the direction we have 3 triangles. So in that case, here value of n equal to 3. And if value of n equal to 3, the number of triangles becomes 30. So total number of triangles for this figure will becomes equal to 30. So this table you have to remember. Mostly in exam they will give till this 5. Okay. So at least this 4 value you have to remember. Similarly, we will implement over here. So if we will take this base, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we will take this base, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we will take this one, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. In all the sides, we have 4 triangles. So in this case, value of n equal to 4. So for 4, when n equal to 4, what is the number of triangles? Number of triangles becomes 27. So in this figure, number of triangles will become 27. So these are some shortcut tricks to calculate the number of figures. Okay. So next class, we will discuss regarding some more tricks related to this one.